So how do you turn this into this? Stay tuned. Alright, let's jump right into this. Now if you have ordered one of our vanity lights, or you're interested in one of our vanity lights, we offer a 4-bulb light which measures 24.5 inches wide, as well as a 6-bulb vanity light which measures 36 inches wide. Now both of these are the Bear family in the two-tone rust powder coat. And when you receive your vanity light, you will receive the metal art as well as the electrical portion of the light. Now the purpose of today's video is to show you how the metal art connects to the electrical part of the vanity light once it's mounted onto your wall. Alright, so here's what the electrical portion of your vanity light will look like. Now this one is for this 4-bulb. You can see here. Now this is in a rust color which matches the two-tone rust powder coat as well as the rust powder coat. Now if you ordered the black powder coat, this will obviously come in a black color. Now it also includes the mounting instructions as well as drywall anchors and screws to mount it on your wall in your bathroom. Now if you're not 100% comfortable with doing the electrical portion of your vanity light, we highly recommend you hire an electrician to help you out. Now what I want to do is go ahead and show you how the metal art actually mounts to the electrical portion of this vanity light. So the first thing we want to do is we want to remove what's called the cups. You simply twist them, pull them off and set them aside. Okay. Like so. Now this is a little easier when it's on your wall to do this than it is here on the table, but you'll get the idea. So this plate will actually come off now. And this is the actual portion of the electrical, or part of the vanity light, will actually mount to your wall and hook into your electrical that's currently in your bathroom. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how the metal art connects to this piece once it's mounted onto your wall. So we're going to go ahead and put that cover back over. And now the metal art simply goes right over top. Okay. And then what you want to do is you're just going to put your cups right back on. We're going to snug them down, get them as tight as possible. You might have to do some adjusting later. And there we go. And once it's on your wall, it'll look just like that. Now as you can see, the electrical portion tucks right in to the back portion of the metal art for a nice flush mount. Here's what the 4-bulb looks like with bulbs in place. And this is what the 6-bulb looks like with the vanity bulbs in place. Alright friends, I hope this video answers some of the questions you may have had about our vanity lights and how the actual metal art mounts to the electrical portion of the light. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for your ongoing support. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.